In case you didn't know, one day you will die. And I want to show you that the job that you have, that you hate, is a waste of your life. Now this here is our childhood and our teenage years. We have a lot of fun, and most of us usually get a job right around here at the age of 20. And most people would retire at the age of 65. And if we are lucky, we live all the way to 80 years old. Now look at this. Most of our life will be spent at work. But a recent poll found that 85% of the people in Malaysia don't enjoy their jobs. And in China and Japan, the number is almost 94%. Now that's this crazy statistic. Most people hate what they are doing, but spend most of their life doing it. Do you want to spend the majority of your life doing something that you hate? And just so you know, if you're slaving away for retirement down here, you're missing the point. Because only 82% of the people in the world live till the age of 65. And on an average, you have about another 15 more years to live after you retire. And just so you know, only 65% of the people in the world live till the age of 80. If you don't like your job, quit it. Find another way to make money. It's okay to wake up tomorrow morning and reinvent yourself and be the person that you have always wanted to be. It's never too late to start. Now you may be saying, that's unrealistic. I have a family to feed, and what I want you to think of is this. If your children grow up just to be like you and you're doing the job that you hate, guess what they will do when they grow older? The same thing. Do you want this type of life for your children? Wouldn't you rather let your children watch you live a fulfilled life doing what you love, and when they grow up they do the same thing? So it is really with great love and respect that I want to challenge you to rethink your life. If you're not happy with your job, your purpose, or your meaning in life, change it. It's okay to make more money doing something which you love. Don't fear being judged by people just because you don't have a great job title. Don't look back at the end of your life and see unfulfilled dreams, or chances that you didn't take, or days that were wasted at a job that you hated doing. Because life is so short, do something that you love and be proud of it. And when you're not working, spend that time with the people that you love. Because here's the deal. You weren't born just to pay the bills and die. You were meant to thrive. If you like what I've just told you, give me a like on my Facebook, follow us for future presentations, and PM me if you want more details on a life-changing career. Thank you.